This is our vacuum simulation that controlled by FIKRI using the relay 5-volt relay module. This is our autonomous robotic vacuum using Arduino as our brain. 5-volt relay module to turn on and off our robot, humidity temperature sensor, SD11, SP32 as our second brain to stream data, motor driver to control the motor, DC motor, and we're using 3 ultrasonic sensor as our to detect obstacles. So this is our robot interface. We're using the FIKRI platform as our data stream to stream the data of temperature of the room. So when there is no obstacles, the robot will going to forward, and if there is any obstacle on the left, the robot will go to the right, and if vice versa. When there is obstacle on the front, the robot will go right, and if all the sensors are closed, the robot will stop and going backwards until there is no any obstacles. And as we can see on the data streams on the FIKRI, we can see the live data of the temperature and humidity around the robot, and button enabling app. As we can see the button on and off. We can control also on the web browser, and can monitor the battery voltage and battery percentage. This is our robot movement simulation, where our robot avoiding obstacles. And that's all from the simulation.